Most people fail. No matter how hard they work, they always end up falling short. The truth is, they start at a huge disadvantage compared to high achievers because they lack the knowledge and skills that make all the difference. And these skills are never taught in school. And that changes today. In this video, I'm going to show you how high performers think and structure their days and businesses to guarantee the success that others only dream about. Hi, my name is Andre, and I built a 7-figure business, coached hundreds of professionals, and today I'm on YouTube sharing everything I've learned to help you build a life truly worth living. Before we get into mindset, models, and systems, let's talk about 2 things all successful people have in common. And the first one is a powerful big why. Your big why is the reason you get up every day and do what needs to be done. It's what keeps you going on the hardest days, when everything seems to be falling apart. It's what separates those who succeed from those who just dream about success. Imagine 2 professional athletes. One of them trains because they have a clear goal to become world champion, to prove they are the best. The other trains simply because they love the sport. Now, which one do you think is going to wake up every day at 5 a.m. and train, even when it is cold and raining outside? The first one, right? It's the same with your life and your goals. For example, for me, when I first started in business, my big why was simple. I wanted to be the best in my field. I wanted to prove to myself that I could build something big. And I wanted it so bad that gave me the strength to do whatever needed to be done every single day. But my big why changed the day I became a father. And big whys can change over time. From that moment on, it wasn't just about me. It was about something much bigger than myself. And it still is. So my question for you is, what is your big why? Is it financial freedom? Is it having more free time? Is it money? Take as much time as you need to really figure out why you want to succeed. What is that one thing that in the toughest moments, when you think about it, gives you the strength and motivation to keep going? Because that will make all the difference in your journey. The second thing successful people have in common is that they know exactly how and where to allocate their time to get results. I want to introduce you to the concept of the one thing. I read, studied, implemented, and taught the principles in this amazing book by Gary Keller. And the results were nothing short of incredible. At its core, you need to ask yourself, what is the one thing that if I do it, will make everything else easier or even unnecessary? Now, let me give you 2 examples. Imagine you're a freelancer, a graphic designer, a video editor, or consultant. Your day is packed with tasks. Finding clients, replying to emails, creating proposals, working on projects, and so much more. Everything has to be done and everything seems important. The real question is, of all these tasks, if I only had time to do one of them, which one will it be? Of all these tasks, which one truly moves the needle? Most professionals say things like closing deals because it brings money. It makes sense, right? Or doing a great work because happy clients bring referrals. It also makes sense. And while both of these are important, if you really think about it, none of these tasks matter if you don't have clients in the first place. So your one thing is actually getting clients in a predictable and consistent way. Because if you don't have clients, it doesn't matter how talented, professional, or organized you are. Without clients, you don't have a business. At best, you have a hobby that occasionally pays you. And so, for the vast majority of businesses, getting leads and acquiring customers is the one thing that makes everything else easier. This is also where most people fail, because as soon as they land a few clients, all their lead generation efforts stop. They feel busy, they feel like everything is great because they are working and making money, but once they finish the work for their current clients, they are back to square one, with no work and no money coming in. And trust me, I've seen this happen way too many times. So invest your time in building a system to attract leads and clients consistently, and everything else falls into place. I can go more in depth on getting leads in a future video. Let me know in the comments if you're interested. When you have clients coming in predictably, you can hire someone to help you, make a better and faster work, which translates in increasing your price, take more projects to work on, which means more money coming in, or simply choose the best projects for yourself. That's how you grow a business, by focusing on the one thing. Now, imagine you're a content creator, just like myself, or you want to promote your business on YouTube and grow your channel. You have to plan, write scripts, learn how to film, edit, create thumbnails, create landing pages, do copywriting, and the list goes on. And once again, everything needs to be done, and everything is important. But what is the one thing you should focus on? What is the thing that truly moves the needle? I will say that the one thing that really matters is publishing videos. Because without videos there are no views, no subscribers, no leads, no sponsors, and your channel never grows. It doesn't matter how good your content, your thumbnails or editing are if you're not posting consistently. And this means that you need a system that ensures you're consistently posting the best content you can. Because then the algorithm starts recommending your content, you start getting views and subscribers, you get better at making everything because you're actually doing it. Your titles and thumbnails get better because you have more data to test and more opportunities appear. More opportunities mean more business, more money that will help scale your business by leveraging, hiring people to help you make even better and more videos, and of course help you manage everything else that needs to be done. And speaking of that, now that you've identified your one thing, the next step is breaking it down and figuring out exactly what you need to do to make sure it happens. But also how to handle everything else that needs to be done while still planning to achieve greatness. And I'll show you exactly how in this video. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how high achievers structure their time, prioritize their tasks, and maintain unstoppable momentum towards success. And if you want to learn more tips on productivity and business growth, make sure you subscribe to my newsletter. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Now please go apply this, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.